In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete Card.co website. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Deleting a site in Card is permanent. Once it's gone, you can't restore it. If there's anything you might need later, text, images, or layout ideas, consider copying the content to a document or saving a local backup first. If your site uses a custom domain, remember that deleting the site in Card won't change settings at your domain registrar, so you may want to review those separately after you're done. Let's get started. Open your browser, go to Card.co, and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login for the workspace that owns the site you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts or profiles, double-check you're in the right one to avoid deleting the wrong site. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where all your sites are listed. Find the exact site you want to delete. If you have a lot of sites, use search or scan for the site's title or its URL to be sure you've got the right one. When you've located it, click the Manage icon on that site's card. Depending on your layout, this might look like a gear, 3 dots, or a similar menu button. Pause for a moment and confirm the title and URL match what you intend to remove. In the Manage menu, click Delete Site. Card will take you to a confirmation screen. This page is designed to prevent accidental deletions, and it will clearly state that the action is permanent. Read it carefully so you know exactly what will happen. When you're ready, confirm that you understand the consequence by selecting the option that says you're sure and want to permanently delete the site. This extra step exists to protect your work in case you clicked delete by mistake, so don't rush it. Make sure you've captured anything you might need and that you're acting on the correct site. Finally, click the Delete Site button to complete the process. Card will remove the site from your dashboard, and the publish link will stop working. If you still see the site for a short time, that's likely due to browser or CDN caching. Give it a few minutes and refresh. If you were using a custom domain, update or remove DNS records with your registrar so the domain doesn't point to a now deleted site. And that's it. You've permanently deleted your Card site safely and correctly.